Okay, what you're looking at is I am having to change out my heater hose assembly for my 2007 Chevrolet pickup. This is it is a Silverado Classic. It is a 2007 model, and my heater hose assembly, the quick disconnect, which is this right here, was leaking water right around this point right here, right around this area, and so it actually connects right here, and then it goes up to this point right here, sits in this saddle right here, and then it goes all the way down under here, and it connects at this point. Pretty much it just goes from here and connects up to here. What's unique about this is the quick disconnect here takes a special tool to take it off, and it's one of these type of deals. They make all kinds of different kinds of tools to remove it, and this is the part number. This is the allowed part number. It's 39190. It's pretty neat little tool. So it opens up like a clamshell, just like that. Then once you get it in there, you pull it this way towards you. All right, and eventually it's going to stop, but you pull it towards you. All right, so I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you how it works on the actual, because the quick disconnect is going to be on here. All right, so I'm going to here's the quick disconnect part. Here's the quick disconnect part. So this is in there. So once you wrap this piece around that tube, this is supposed to slide right in there, and then you press it in. All right, so it goes just like that, and you're going to be pressing it in with your fingers, you know, in this manner or this manner. Boom, and it slides in just like that. And what it does, it opens up the inside part of that quick disconnect. Then you can just pull the whole assembly out. This will stay in place. This will stay at the fitting, and the quick disconnect pops out. Then you can remove this. Pretty neat the way it works. The new assembly, here's the new hose right here. Okay, there's the new hose and the part number for the new hose. This one's by Dorman. So here's the part number for the new hose. This is for, remember, this is for my truck, for a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado Classic. All right, the part number is 626-557 by Dorman. This one's pretty pricey. This is about $49. However, it's the full assembly. It's the full assembly, so it's pretty much a remove and replace part. So anyway, let me get set up so I can reinstall it back in there, and I'll do my best to show you the process to where you can get a good visual of it. It should be, in theory, as simple as just this isn't a sleeve, so it doesn't like pull back or anything like that. It should be just a press on, I believe, and it snaps in place. At least I hope that's what it's gonna do. I know you can't get a good visual of the inside there, it's really dark, but let's see what happens. Okay. See if I can move my flashlight a little bit. so you guys can see. Let me see here. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's see here. So I'm just going to try to press it in. All right, that ain't working. The only thing I can think of is doing the opposite with the tool, inserting the tool in place. What I decided to do is I put a little bit of oil. It's hard to see, but let me see. Put a little bit of oil right on the inside of the rubber piece there. Hopefully it'll help it slide into the fitting. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if that works. Instead of using that tool, because I think once I put that tool in, yeah, because if I use the tool like I was thinking, I'm not going to be able to get that tool back out. So I'm going to do it this way. I put a little bit of oil on it, on that rubber piece, and let's hope that that'll help it slide in place. Here we go. Let's try it again. Hopefully this will work. What a difference, and that made it. All right, so it's in. And it's in. That's exactly what it needed. Just a little bit of lubrication. All right, so it slid in place. So that piece is in. Now I just got to thread it in through this piece right here. I just got to feed it through this cradle right here and on the way down to the bottom there. And this is designed, looks like it's designed to just be pulled right out. So let me get some pliers and we'll pull it out. So pulling this piece off right here allows this clamp to expand, which locks it in place, and we're done. That's how easy that was. All right, so let me take this light off here. All right, so there's the hose. It's connected. Comes up through here, goes up here, and it connects right in there. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you'll be able to do the same job on your truck without having to pay anybody labor. It's not hard to do. It's not hard to do at all. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.